This video covers how to set up the recipe section. First, make sure you are in the recipe section by clicking the icon button titled Recipe. To start a new recipe, click the Add button under the search bar and title the recipe. For video purposes, we are naming it Recipe 1. Then click the Save button. Next, select your doser system by clicking the button Select Doser System. Pick the system that is associated with this recipe from the drop-down menu. Once selected, it automatically populates with the appropriate dosers that were already set up in the Configure section. Enter the rest of your information for your recipe by clicking on any of the numbers, hitting the Clear button, entering the correct information, and then hitting the Enter button. This may include target EC, target pH, pH up, or your nutrient of choice. Please note, if you are using low dosage rates, a warning screen may pop up stating that the current dosing rate may cause striping. Please recheck your dosage rates or contact us for assistance. You will notice hamburger menu buttons to the right of each of your dosers. This is a More button, which allows you to set the specific settings you see on screen, such as the specific doser, highest max correction offset, lowest max correction offset, gain, and reset time. Once you have set your specific settings, click the green check mark button. Now that you have entered all that information, your first recipe is now created. Everything in the settings section under the recipe name is the recipe. To set up additional recipes, repeat the previous steps except hit the Add button under the previous recipe you just created to get started. You have now set up all your recipes and are ready to schedule them.